There's nothing like natural oil. This one was the down one that they give me. You know, when you buy the oil 25 liter, they are going to ask you to go and buy keg. So when they were exchanging it, this was the extra one. Almost the oil, this is correct village native oil.
You are good, you are kind, you are more than this.
Hello family, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. It's your baby girl Glorious Reality. Yet family, guys, I'm just coming back from the market. When I was going to the market today, I told you guys I'm going to the market to go and buy food store provision that can last for some months. I don't know how didn't it journey this video too long, so let me just make an intro, explain it to you guys. Yes, you know, I told you all that I want to be going to the market every two weeks to be buying things for my family. And anytime I go to the market, you see 500. The next market, they will say that 1,002 or 800, something or 2,000. The next time they will say 2,005. I was like, why am I stressing myself? Let me just go market and buy things that can last for at least 6 months, 3 months. I will know that maybe just something for cookies, so meat, fish, all those stuff I will just be going to go and buy. So I'm just coming by, guys. I say let me show you all that I got. Yes, and the prices. Things are so expensive now. Things are so costly. So let me show you all that I got from the market. Guys, I bought this bag of rice today. All that ghost style. I bought it. It's foreign rice. I bought it 62,000 naira for one bag. 62,000 naira. And the guys told me that the rice is very good. I can remember January, we bought this bag of rice, foreign one, 45,000 naira. Now it's 62,000 naira. I bought it today. Yes, guys. And I bought this potato. I bought all this potato, 2,000 naira. Yes, I bought it 2,000 naira. Yes, and I bought this plantain, 1,000 naira. Yes, and I bought this 4 tubers of yam. Yes, this 4 tubers of yam. I bought each one 1,003, 1,003. And this one is what is it? Tin tomatoes. Favor, come and be helping me. This is tin tomatoes. I bought this tin tomatoes. 5,200. That one that they used to say row 550 now. So I bought the carton like this, 5,200. And this is spaghetti. Yes, I bought this spaghetti carton like this, 10,800. Yes, it's 20 pieces that is inside the carton. I bought it 10,800. Yeah, guys, I bought this super pack Indomie. I bought it 7,600. Yes, 7,600. And I bought this. The garri is inside this. I bought 2 pence of garri. And I bought each pence 1,003. Everything was 2,600 that I bought this garri. And this one is semolina. Yes, it's 10 kg, 10,500. Yes, I bought it 10,500. Yeah, guys, I bought this beast. This beast is 2 pence. I was afraid to buy too much of beast. I don't want the beast to spoil. I bought it. How much? I bought it 2008. Everything was 5,600. I bought everything 5,600 for the 2 pence. Yes, guys, what is that? This is flour. Yes, for baking. Yes, I bought it 1,002 for 1 kilo. Yeah, guys, what did I buy again? Yes, guys, this is what I bought again. I bought this mala. I bought it 115 each one. The three like this is 4,500. And crayfish, this is crayfish half pint. They sold it for me 2,007 for half pint for crayfish. Yes, this one 4,005. But again, I bought this onion. 1,000 naira. I think that 1,000 naira. Each one like this is 100 naira. Yeah, they sold it for me for 1,000 naira. I think it's 11 pieces the man gave me. Yes, what is the favor? Come and open this. Yes, I got all this soup, rice and jollof fry spices. Yes, I bought this thing 1,000 naira for one pack. All this thing for 500. Is it for 500? I think it's for 450 for each of them that I bought them. Yes. Yeah, guys, what else again? Yeah, this is egg. I bought one crate of egg. I can only go there back and buy egg. So I bought one crate, 2,600. Yeah, 2,600. What is this? Maybe I'll open this for yes. I bought all these toilet things here for house. Yeah, for washing. I bought this at 1,002. This is at 1,005. I bought this at 1,500. 2 liter freight. All this, yes, I bought them. Servette, yes, bought all this thing. Yeah, guys, this is all the beverage that I bought from the market. I bought Godimo. I think this Godimo 2,002. Yeah, I bought Godimo cornflakes. I bought cornflakes. Ton of cornflakes, 2 pack. Biscuit for 550 for 1,001. I bought custard. I bought it, I think 2,005. 2,005 for the biggest one. Granite 1,005. Yes. Milk. I bought milk. Milo 3,003. I bought how much? I don't know, I forgot for the pack. I bought butter, Vaseline. This Vaseline I bought it I think 1,002. Yes. Milk. I bought milk. I bought this is Cabe milk. I bought 115, 3,000. This is the milk that I use. And I bought this thing, King's oil. Yeah, this is King's red oil. I bought it 35,500 for this King red oil. Yeah, the native one. Yes, I bought it 35,500. Yeah, guys, and I bought this granite oil, King granite oil. I bought it 35,000 naira. Yes, I bought it 35. This one 35,000 naira. This one 35,500. Yeah, that I bought another blender, guys. I don't know the blender that I bought January. I don't know, maybe I don't know how to set the blender. It just giving me scone. So I just decided to buy another blender today. I bought this blender 22,000 naira. Yes, guys, this is all that I got from the market today. Guys, this is all that I got. I don't want to be going to the market every time. Like all this groundnut oil, red oil, semo, rice, yam, spaghetti. Actually, this thing will last for some of this food. They will last for 3 to 6 months. I will not go to market again. I want to go and be buying. They will last very well. So, guys, this is all that I got from the market today. Things is really getting costly every day by day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Please thumbs up for me, guys. Thumbs up for your sister. Share the video.